If you want to set up a company in Germany, you have to register it with the tax office. I made a video how you do it. It has English subtitles. You don't need a tax advisor. You can fill it out, the form yourself online. To make it easier for you, I have also included the registration form for you to print out. You can download it for free and fill it out along with the video beforehand. This will make it easier for you if you are supposed to answer the questions on the website of the tax office. Go to my website . Read the text and book the tutorial video. Good luck with your business.